Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all of you guys. Depends what time you're watching my video today. Today we are going to cook chicken biryani, which is Desi Apna style. For that, whatever we required is chicken 1 kg, half kg tomatoes, chopped medium size onion 4, green chilli 6, 2 lemon, biryani masala, you can buy this, yogurt 1 cup, 2 tablespoon ginger paste, 2 tablespoon garlic paste, nigella, kalwanji, half teaspoon, turmeric half teaspoon, round crushed chili 1 teaspoon, cumin 1 teaspoon, and this is the powder of papaya 1 teaspoon, ginger chopped long size 1 tablespoon, coriander dry 1 tablespoon, coriander fresh 2 tablespoon, fresh mint chopped. Also you need cooking oil, you can use 1 cup. On the top of that you need rice. So this is the basmati rice from Pakistan. So you can use Sela rice, basmati rice, any rice. Turmeric powder, zira, except papaya powder. Dry roast. Okay guys, this is done now. अब इसमें cooking oil डालें, put the oil in and high the flame, put the onion in and cook it. So keep cooking till the onion is golden color. Now you can see this is golden brown now. Put the garlic paste and ginger paste and fry it like this for 1 minute. Alright guys, when you have done for 1 minute garlic and ginger paste, उसके बाद you add tomato. Keep cooking on high flame and use your spoon around the pot that nothing should stick around. We are cooking biryani, chicken biryani. I cut the chicken pieces. There are cut on the chicken pieces. So guys, keep cooking. Just have a look. It is nearly done. Just keep looking. Little water in. If you want a perfect dish, perfect taste, then while cooking you have to be with your cooking. This is nearly done now. And now you can add the chicken. Okay, cook it for 10 minutes on high heat. I have been frying this for 10 minutes. So biryani masala you can buy from any Asian shops, any Pakistani shops, Indian shops. You add that masala as well, because adding this masala with biryani masala, it will give you double taste of chicken biryani. So now just keep frying this. So you have to fry this another 10 minutes because we have to cook the spices, the masala properly. So that will give you a great taste in the biryani. Guys, जब मसाले को डाल के आप फ्राई करेंगे चिकन को, तो मेक श्योर कि आपने हंडी के नज़दीक ही रहना और चमचा चलाते रहना है 10 मिनट तक मुसलसल. After 10 minutes frying spices and chicken, you can see the gravy is like this now. It is a great color of gravy. And add some water like 1 cup, and so this is the second cup. And just mix it. Okay, you can see the color of the gravy now, and put the lid on. Leave it for 10 minutes on low flame. Chicken is almost ready. What we got to do now, we have to cook this without lid on little high flame. Fresh mint in. Also you add this fresh coriander. You add this papaya, dry papaya powder. Okay, and now just mix it. Guys, बिरयानी को पकाने के लिए द वे ऑफ कुकिंग को सीखना बहुत ज़रूरी है. जैसे आज मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन किया कि इस तरीके से बिरयानी बनाएं. इस तरीके से आप बिरयानी बनाएंगे तो 100% डिलीशियस बिरयानी मिलेगी आपको. जस्ट ट्रस्ट मी. ओके, you must try my recipes and let me know how you get them. You can see the oily bubbles coming up, so this is getting thicker now. Add the 1 bowl of the yogurt and mix it and cook it. Now you cook it on medium flame. Just make it little dry. Now what you do, add this chili in, just move it like this and just let it be cooked for another 5 minutes. Before, from the beginning, I have forgotten to tell you something about this biryani color. Okay, I have taken 2 colors today. One is orange and one is yellow. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel, like it, share my video and press the bell buttons for more videos. Thank you. Now you can add the lemon juice. Just mix it well. Let it cook. You can see now the oily bubbles are coming up. Your gravy is ready. Don't make it much dry than this one. We are done. Just put the lid on. Look at the color of gravy. Put the lid on. चूल्हे पे पानी रख लें. ठीक है. We have 1 kg चावल, 1 kg राइस we have. तो आप तकरीबन इसमें 8 गिलास पानी डाल दें. उसमें 2 अदद कड़ी पत्ता डाल दें. 1 दालचीनी डाल दें. 3 टीस्पून सॉल्ट ऐड कर लें. कुकिंग ऑयल जस्ट पुट इन. पानी को अभी उबलने दें और इसके ऊपर ढकना दे दें लाइक दिस. वॉश द राइस एंड कीप रेडी फॉर कुकिंग. वी आर गोइंग टू रिमूव द लिड. यू स्लोली डालें क्योंकि उबला हुआ पानी है तो पानी की छींटे पड़ के जलने का भी खतरा है. सो जस्ट पुट दिस इन एंड चमचे की मदद से इनको थोड़ा सा मूव कर लें और इनको अभी पकने दें. तकरीबन 75% rice should be cooked. The rice are getting ready now, are 75% cooked. So here you go. Okay, now put this pot down and put the strainer on the top. This is done. This is the important step you have to understand. Okay, put the rice in the pot. 1 layer of the rice put down, and now take the chicken and put it like this. Okay, then put it like this. When you have done this much, then take your rice again and put your rice like this. Put your rice on the top and just settle them. Then rest of the gravy you are going to put in. Then you take the color, put like this, put like this, put like this, put on the sides. Take the other color and just put little bit. You need to have one cloth for steaming your biryani. Take the pot, put this cloth on the pot, do like this, and then just put on this one properly and fix it. Now you take the chapati maker and on the medium flame and put your biryani on chapati maker to steam. First 5 to 7 minutes you will do on high flame, and after you will reduce the flame to the medium and you will steam for another 10 minutes. After that your biryani will be ready. You can see a nice aroma and steam is coming up. Do it like this, okay, slowly, okay, just put in, and you can dish this out like this. Put your rice like this and it is ready to eat. Now you put some lemon on the top, some ginger. This is ginger. You need to put some coriander. This is your dish and your biryani is ready to eat. Enjoy your meal. Thanks for watching my video. Have a good time. Good luck and goodbye.